welcome to KB Auto Project. I'm Kevin Kemper, and today we have another new install for the BMW 328i. And today that is a brand new e-brake handle. Sorry, my words. This is an e-brake handle I bought off eBay, and it's aluminum, so it's all metal. It's got this custom engraved M Sport logo on the side. And it has 1, 2, 3 little screws to hold it in place. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install this, or maybe just any new e-brake handle in your F30. So, tools you're going to need for the job are, you're going to want a plastic trim tool of some sort. I have this one. It's got 2 different ends on it. So there's that. And you're going to want maybe a pair of cutters or snips of sort. You're going to want yourself some Allen keys or whatever, some of these. And of course you're going to want a new zip tie for your cover. So, first thing we want to do is grab your trim tool, because we're going to pry up the old e-brake handle assembly. I'll show you that here in a minute. Okay, so what you're going to want to do here is take your trim tool and basically start from underneath here, go along and pop this whole assembly up, and then we'll go from there. So, as you can see, our whole piece here is lifted up, and we should be able to just go ahead and be able to pull this boot out here. Okay, so once you've lifted the boot up and pulled it back, you want to pull this back, lift your e-brake up a bit, pull this back. You'll see here is a zip tie that goes around the boot to keep it in place. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and grab like your snips, go ahead and snip that. Okay, so once you've gone ahead and snipped your band here, you should be able to just go ahead and just pull the whole boot out. Now my recommendation would probably to leave it inverted like this, that way you can just go ahead and slide it back on to put the new zip tie on. So now all we have left is the handle here. Now, to remove the handle, what you're going to want to do is press the button all the way down as far as you can, and you're going to pull your handle off. So as you're pushing that button in, pull the handle off. It should slip right off. So there you have it. There's the old handle. Now we're going to replace it with the new one. Okay, so now for this next part, what you're going to want to do here, I'm trying to work with very little room, is so what you want to do is take your new handle and go ahead and insert it back into your boot cover the way your old one came off. Now see, this handle has a nice little divot, like this one does, towards the base. So you're going to want to make sure where your old zip tie was, you want that same perforation to kind of fit in that same divot area. And you're going to also want to make sure that your new handle is orientated right, the way the boot was before. So that way you don't have to worry about adjusting it after. Just go ahead and get that lined up now. Probably lined up with the line in your boot there is probably a safe bet. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the new zip tie around here, get that nice and tight after we've put it back on the handle. Now see, it'll look like that, so that looks pretty nice already. Just go ahead and put our zip tie around here, and we'll almost be done. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I actually forgot one step here with this one here, is actually it does come with these, see if I can clear the image up on that. But it does come with these little screws, three, one on the top and then one on each side, that help it secure it to the actual lever here. So you'll want to actually tighten those down first, get this straight the way you want it to, and then go ahead and tighten those down. I used a 332. That's what I used. So yep, just go ahead and tighten that down, and then you can go ahead and put your boot on. So my bad for forgetting that. Sorry, well, yeah, I'm trying. All right, so went ahead and got the band tightened and put the boot back in. The very top here, you're going to have two clips. You're going to want to insert those first, then go ahead and lay the rest of the boot back down. Make sure it's pressed all the way in. Also, not a bad idea to get yourself like an Armor All wipe or something and go ahead and wipe along the edges, as they can get pretty dirty over time. But this is it. Here it is. This is the new handle. Pretty nice. Fits well. I like it. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty easy install too, actually. So not too bad. Works and functions like it should. So I like it. I will try and leave a link in the section below for you guys. I don't know if the seller is selling more of those or not. I think I did see some other ones in different colors. I think I might have seen one in red too. So I'll see if I can put a link in the description down below. Other than that, you guys, that's all I have. Just a quick little video on a new Ebrake handle for you. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to keep seeing more of our videos and keeping up with us. So with that, I'm going to go. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.